గౌరవనీయులైన మంత్రి గారు శ్రీ పొన్నాల లక్ష్మయ్య సభను ఉద్దేశించి మీ అభిప్రాయాలు ప్రకటించమని కోరుతున్నాము.
First of all, greetings and good wishes on this auspicious occasion, and good evening to all of you. You know, I feel very proud and fortunate to stand before you. Do you know why? For the simple reason, this is the time those gods who feel jealous of Mavali is supposed to be coming during this time and bless the people. And you are the people who would like to have the blessings of King Mavali, and I am here to get some of it also. That's why I feel I am proud and fortunate to have participating in this auspicious occasion with all of you. Our Honorable Minister K.C. Joseph ji, Mr. Libby Benjamin Garu, Muhammad Ahmed Garu, Pradeep Kumar Garu, Vipinan Garu, Pradeep Garu, brothers and sisters from gathered here. I once again congratulate you, and I feel happy that I am here with you on this auspicious occasion. You know, Hyderabad is the home not only for Telugus, but also to all parts of people from all over India and all over the world, as a matter of fact. It's a mini India. It represents all cultures, all languages, and this is the most happening city in India too. And it's a matter of pride that almost 700,000 people from Kerala are in these twin cities, and almost about 1 million people in the state of Andhra Pradesh, according to the recent surveys. We value your services. We recognize your contribution. And in the development of the state, in the service of the state, your services, we definitely value it, we welcome it. We want to make you as comfortable as anybody else in the city of Hyderabad and in the state of Andhra Pradesh. In particular, the contribution of Kerala people, and in particular the NRIs from Kerala, they have contributed so much to the Indian economy. And in last 2012, I think the NRIs inflows into the country are almost like $66 billion. Out of that, 12 billion, about 18% of that comes from Kerala NRIs into the country. If it is not for that, the rupee would have faced even much more problem today. That's why we recognize, we salute, we appreciate, we actually feel happy that your contribution in the growth of the country, which is much more than the FDI investment in India every year, as a matter of fact. Not only that, we have all other things. For example, here in the field of education, in remote parts of Andhra Pradesh, people from Kerala teaching English is a common thing. The English language, which is being taught mostly by Kerala people, and also service to man is service to God. That's what we are feeling from the people of Kerala in the field of health by nursing services widespread all over the state. In addition to that, the tourism is another major factor from Kerala, and also the people from the state of Andhra Pradesh also visit in large number to Sabarimala. I sincerely thank the Chief Minister and the government of Kerala for allotting land at Sabarimala for the benefit of these people, devotees who are visiting that. And as a matter of fact, we also recognize the services of many other people. The first ever woman chief secretary, the only 2 chief secretaries of women category in Andhra Pradesh are from Kerala. One is Satish Nair back in 2002, and recently Minu Matthews. So they are known for good governance and quick disposal of files. And it's a matter of pride for all of us to recognize them, to mention them as this way. And one more thing, what I see every day, our people in Andhra Pradesh, the Telugu people, do you know whom they see? The most popular TV anchor lady, Suma, from Kerala. So it gives me a lot of pleasure to be with you. And this Kama organization is doing wonderful service for the people of, from Malayali origin and from Kerala in different aspects. The website that is created, the services that are rendered, and the marriages for the BPL families, all of these services will go a long way for the benefit of people from Kerala, and the state of Andhra Pradesh and myself will always come forward for any occasion, for any assistance, for any opportunity to serve you, and we assure you that your say, that your lifestyle, that your well-being is the sole motto of our government, and this government will protect all the people in the city, no matter what it is. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.